Hello and welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to understand how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your solar energy installer business. So as a owner of a solar energy installer, I receive a lot of inquiries on my WhatsApp number. And now here I instantly wish to reply to these queries using a WhatsApp chatbot. Yes, you heard it right. I am going to build a WhatsApp chatbot by using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So here we are going to follow a process that we are going to create a chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow, and now whenever a customer is going to send a message to our WhatsApp chat, then automatically our chatbot is going to reply to that message. So here if you wish to learn about this chatbot in detail, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a WhatsApp chatbot for your solar energy business to instantly answer customer questions, share info and collect leads 24/7, saving time and boosting your response rate. Alright, so as you all know that as someone who runs a solar energy installation business, I often get many inquiries from people asking about the solar panel cost, installation process, maintenance and government subsidy. So now handling each of these questions manually takes a lot of time and sometimes lead to delays in response. By creating a WhatsApp chatbot, I can instantly answer common questions, share brochures or videos, and even collect customer details 24/7. This makes it easier for potential customers to get the information they need quickly while I focus on actual project work. It also helps me qualify leads faster and stay connected with interested clients without missing any messages. Alright, so here on my screen you can see the chatbot that I've already created for my solar energy installer business by using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So now firstly in this video we are going to see the working of this amazing chatbot that I've already created by simply sending a WhatsApp message to my WhatsApp chat. So for that, let me all take you to my WhatsApp. So this is my WhatsApp account and this is my WhatsApp number that I've already connected with my Pabbly Chatflow account. Alright, so here let's suppose that I'm a customer over here and I'm going to drop a text over here as I want to know about the solar installation process. And here you can see we have received the text as, "Hi there, welcome to the Bright Soul Solar Solutions, powering homes and business with clean, renewable energy. How can I assist you today?" And here you can see the quick replies button that we have received as solar panel cost, installation or book a call. So let's select installation over here and it says our solar panel installation includes these details. Want a detailed PDF brochure? Yes, send. Talk to expert or back to main menu. So I'm going to select yes, send. And here you can see we have successfully received a PDF brochure over here. And then here let's try to select talk to expert and it says sure, let's schedule a quick call. Please share your full name. So I'm going to share my full name over here. And here you can see it says thanks, our solar expert will call you soon. Alright, so with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing chatbot that I've already created using Pabbly Chatflow, that is all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform. And now here in this video we are going to learn step by step how you can create this chatbot by using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So here to access the Pabbly Chatflow, you have to search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. So on my screen you can see Pabbly Chatflow's homepage and here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to build a WhatsApp chatbot for my business, I'm going to use Pabbly Chatflow. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow and here you might be thinking that what is basically Pabbly Chatflow. So let me give a brief about it. Pabbly Chatflow is a tool that helps businesses create automated chatbots for their websites and apps. It's like having a virtual assistant that can chat with visitors, answer questions and guide them to take actions like making a purchase or signing up. Alright, so this was all about Pabbly Chatflow and now here if you wish to learn about that how you can set up your Pabbly Chatflow account step by step, then you can check out the video uploaded on our YouTube channel and available on our landing page as well. Alright, so now here I'm going to give an overview that how you can add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. So for that you need to click on this add WhatsApp number button given on the top right corner. And here you can see two options, that are WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. So here you can see that WhatsApp Connect is a preferred method over here. And here if you wish to learn about that how you can use this method to connect your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you can check out the video link available in the description box below. And here if you wish to select the Manual Token Connect, then a dialog box will will appear in front of you, and here it is going to ask for the Meta access token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. So basically to get all these details, you need to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account in Meta for developers. And once you're going to set up the account, automatically you're going to get all these details, and after adding the details over here, you need to click on this next and you are good to go. Alright, so this was all about how you can add a WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. Alright, so now here Pabbly Chatflow offers some amazing features that are available in the left sidebar. So now here if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can check out the videos dedicated to each of the feature available on our YouTube channel and on our landing page as well. Alright, so let me give an overview of each feature. So let's start with the inbox. So by using this particular feature, you can see all your WhatsApp chats at one place. Then comes the contacts. So by using this particular feature, you can create and manage the contact list for your WhatsApp number. Then comes the team queue. So by using this particular feature, you can see all your team members and the status of the chat assigned to each of the team member. Then comes the templates. By using this particular feature, you can create and manage the templates for your WhatsApp messaging. Then comes the broadcast. By using this particular feature, you can create, send and schedule the broadcast messages for your WhatsApp messaging. Then comes the flow. So by using this particular feature, you can create a new WhatsApp chatbot for your business. Then comes the AI assistant. So by using this particular feature, you can create an AI assistant for your business. Then comes the settings. So here under the settings, you can see some more amazing features, and to learn about these features in detail, then you can check out the video available on our YouTube channel. Then comes the get help options. By using this particular option, you can get a response for all your doubts regarding Pabbly Chatflow. Alright, so this was all about the feature section, and now here to create a new WhatsApp chatbot for our business, I'm going to access a feature of Pabbly Chatflow that are flows. Now here under this flow builder, you can see all the existing flows that I've created using Pabbly Chatflow till now. So now here to create a new WhatsApp chatbot, we are going to add a new flow by clicking on this add a flow button given over here. And here under this flow window, firstly I'm going to give a name to my flow, that is WhatsApp chatbot for your solar energy installer business. And now you have to giving a name to my flow. It is asking me to set up the flow start. So in this flow start, I need to set up the trigger for my WhatsApp chatbot. So here you can set up the trigger as keywords, regex or template. So here if you wish to trigger your WhatsApp chatbot through a message template, then you can choose the template from your template library, or else you can set up the keywords or the regex as well. So here if you choose the trigger type as keywords, meaning the chatbot will activate when a user's message contains specific words. For example, if you want to add a keyword like hey, that is a very basic keyword, then you need to type the keyword first and then you need to press an enter to make it a valid keyword, so that whenever a user sends a message with these words, the chatbot will detect it and trigger a response. But here people type messages in different ways. One person might say, please tell me about the solar energy installer, while another might write, what is the cost for solar energy installer. So in this case, instead of listing every possible variation, we can use regex, that are regular expressions, to create a smarter trigger. For example, using a regex pattern like this, the chatbot will detect common inquiry words regardless of variations or capitalization, and once the chatbot is triggered, it moves to the next step. So here it says enter the regex to match substring trigger and enable the toggle for case sensitive regex. So it is not mandatory to enable the toggle while entering the regex, but here you need to enable the toggle for each sensitive regex only. So this was all about the flow start, and here after setting up the trigger for my WhatsApp chatbot, let's move forward. So once my customer is going to send any of the message on my WhatsApp chat, then automatically I want to send a hello or a welcome message to my customer. So for that I've added a text box over here, and here I'm going to add the text as hi there, welcome to Bright Soul Solar Solutions, powering homes and business with clean renewable energy. How can I assist you today? So this is all about the message, and here you can see I have used asterisks before my brand name. That is because I wanted to make this text bold. So this asterisks are the symbol of a text format that we can use in Pabbly Chatflow to make our text bold. Alright, so now here after adding the message, I'm going to add some quick replies button over here, where I'm going to add the text as solar panel cost, installation and book a call. Alright, so with this we have successfully completed a message box over here. So now further we are going to set up this WhatsApp chatbot for these quick replies button. So let's start with solar panel cost. So for that I'm going to add another text box over here, and here I'm going to add the text as the entire category of the solar panel available with their pricing. So it says here is a quick idea of our pricing may vary based on the site condition, and these are some solar panel with their prices. And then it says would you like to schedule a free consultation? So for that I'm going to add some quick replies button over here, where I'm going to enter the text as yes, book now, share brochure and back to main menu. Alright, so with this we have successfully completed this message box as well. So for now let's leave these quick replies button and move back to the main message box. And now now we are going to move forward with the second quick reply button, that is installation. So I'm going to add a text box over here, and here I'm going to add the text with the entire installation process for our solar panel installation. Alright, so this is the entire process, and then it says want a detailed PDF brochure. So for that I'm going to add some quick replies button over here, where I'm going to add the text as yes send, talk to expert, and back to menu. So with this we have successfully completed this message box as well. Alright, so now let's move back to the main message box, and here you can see we are left with the last quick reply button, that is book a call. Alright, so here I'm going to add another text box over here, where I'm going to add the text as sure, let's schedule a quick call, please share your full name. So here you can see in this text we are going to ask about a question, that is full name from the customer. So for that what we are going to do is that we are going to remove this message box, and then we are going to click on this action type notes, and from here we are going to drag ask a question message box, because here in this message box we are going to ask a question from the customer. Alright, so here I'm going to add the same text, and then I'm going to connect this book a call quick reply button to this message box. Alright, so now after adding the text box over here, it is asking me to select the contact custom field. So here if you wish to know about what is this contact custom field in detail, then you can check out the video dedicated to this feature available on our YouTube channel. And here I've already created my contact custom field for the full name. So here if you wish to know that how you can access this contact custom field, so for that you need to click on the settings, and from here you will be able to see the option of contact custom field. Alright, so here I've already created my contact custom field as full name, so I'm going to select that, and then here for the format I'm going to select my field type as text, and then here it is asking me to select the number of attempts. So here I've entered the number of attempt as 1, and then here it is asking me to enter the validation error message. So I don't want to enter any validation error message, so I'm going to leave it blank, but you can add it as per your need. Alright, so with this we have successfully completed this message box as well. Alright, so now here after a customer is going to reply with the full name, then automatically I want to send a small thank you or a confirmation message to that customer. Further, I've added a text box over here, and here I'm going to add the text as thanks, our solar expert will call you soon. Alright, so with this we have successfully completed this message box as well. Now let's move back to our previous message boxes. Alright, so here in this first message box we have added the first quick reply button as yes book now. So if my customer is going to select yes book now, then automatically I want to book a call for that customer. So for that I'm going to connect this quick reply button to this question message box, and we are all done. Then it is asking me share a brochure. So in this particular quick reply button I need to attach a brochure over here. So for that I'm going to add new message box over here, that is for the media type, and here in this message box it is asking me to select the media type. So I'm going to select the media type as document, and then here it is asking me to select the file. So I'm going to select the file from the file manager. So this is the catalog, so I'm going to select that particular file. And here you can see after uploading the file over here, automatically this URL has been updated over here. Alright, so I'm going to add the caption as here's the brochure. Alright, so with this we have successfully completed this message box as well. Alright, so let's move back to the message box, and last we are going to left with the back to main menu. So I'm going to connect this quick reply button to the main message box. Alright, so let's move forward, and then here for the second message box, first quick reply button is yes send. So again I'm going to connect this quick reply button to the brochure message box, and we are done. And then it says talk to experts. We are going to connect this quick reply button to the book a call question message box, and then here we are left with the back to main menu. So I'm going to connect this quick reply button to the main message box, and with this we have successfully set up our entire WhatsApp chatbot for our solar energy installer business. Alright, so this is a very simple and a short WhatsApp chatbot that you can create for your solar energy installer business. Alright, so now here to creating a WhatsApp chatbot, we are going to save this particular flow by clicking on the save button given over here, and it says flow updated successfully. That means we have successfully saved the flow that we just right now created. Alright, so now after creating the flow, let's test our flow by sending a WhatsApp message to our WhatsApp chat again. So for that, let me all take you back to my WhatsApp. Alright, so this is my WhatsApp account, and now I'm going to clear the chat to start it from the scratch. Alright, so again here let's suppose that I'm a customer over here, and I'm going to drop a text here as I want to know about the price for the solar installation. And it says, hi there, welcome to Bright Soul Solar Solutions, powering homes and businesses with clean renewable energy. How can I assist you today? And here you can see the quick replies button that we have received. So with this, we have successfully seen the working of this amazing chatbot that I have just right now created. Alright, so now here let me show you the amazing feature that Pabbly Chatflow offer is of inbox available in the left side bar. And here in the inbox, you can see all the WhatsApp chats of your WhatsApp number, and here you can see the entire chat between your WhatsApp chatbot and your customer. And also you can can see the status of the message as sent, delivered or read. And not only this, you can also see your customer details available in the right side panel. Alright, so now let's move back to flows, and here let me summarize the chatbot that we just right now created. So I've selected my trigger for the chatbot as regex, and then here I've entered a hello or a welcome message for my customer with the quick reply button as solar panel cost, installation or book a call. And then further I've set up the chatbot for this quick reply button by adding the details over here and some quick replies button as well. And also I've added the brochure for my solar panel. Alright, so this was all about the chatbot that I've just right now created. And now here, if you wish to learn about some amazing chatbots in future, then you need to stay tuned on our YouTube channel for the same. And now here, if you have any doubt related to this chatbot or any other chatbot or a feature of Pabbly Chatflow, then you can drop your doubts in the comment section below. I hope you liked the video. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create many other chatbots with Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit www.pabbly.com. Now if you liked our video, please try Pabbly Chatflow for free today.